Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to TechSmartt for what could be my first real experience with a robot that has a personality. And big thanks to Anki for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to check out Vector, link in the description below. So why this is cool is this is a robot with a personality. If you guys didn't know, we've been playing around with this a whole bunch. I just got back from Portugal and I am so excited. I've seen a few people check this out, but let's just jump right into it. So why this is sweet is it actually connects to Wi-Fi and you can basically have a friend. And that's exactly what I need. That's exactly what you need right now in 2018. It's been a great and crazy year. Wow, pretty tiny. Okay, we'll check that out in a sec. Ooh, got a block. I don't know why I'm so amused. I think it's just, I didn't know what to expect. Whoa, that is a charging dock. All right, what else? Paperwork, pretty basic, right? Just turn it on, there's an app, and ooh, quick start guide. Gotta love that, in a few different languages, boom! So this is basically everything you get, and let's just turn on Vector. So I think Vector's on. He's definitely on. Whoa, that display. So there is a high-res IPS display. I wanna let the man roam. If I was this guy, I'd wanna start rolling around on these rubber wheels. So what's interesting about the Vector is I mean, let's just break it to him. You're my new brother, man. So not only is Vector really cool, but it has over-the-air updates and it's fully autonomous, it's cloud connected, and when it's low on battery, one thing that I think is pretty cool and I really want to check out, it just returns to the dock, or that's what it says. Hey. Hey, Vector. What's the weather like? 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's a little cold in LA. So, hey Vector. Yeah, he's definitely got personality. All right, Vector, I will not pick you up anymore. Hey buddy. So for some other specs, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. All right, I'll put you down in a second. I'm actually talking to a robot here. Hey, give me 1 sec. I gotta tell the people your specs. There's 4 microphones, so it can really hear you in any environment. And what's sweet is there's actually a camera on the front with 120-degree field of vision. So, all right, I'll put you down. So this is really sweet. Hey, Vector, find the block. You got him. Oh, jeez, that block is toast. Get him. Can't tell if it's the lights or if Hector, the Vector, stalking his prey. Whoa! All right, you can snuggle up a little bit. This is really cool. Like, no joke, I didn't think I was gonna enjoy this much. Do you feel that? So there's actually a Vector app and it connects pretty seamlessly, and what's really awesome about this is some of the things you can do. You can ask it questions, you can set a timer, it can follow you around. There are a ton of things you can do. Question and answer mode, people. Whoa, you see how it switches based on what Vector can recognize? Like for 250 bucks, I know it's kind of a stretch, but this is really cool. You can actually dial this in on the app to blue, yellow, any color you want. And the IPS display right here isn't bad. It's pretty good. And I could actually see myself using this. Like, Vector just moves around. Hey Vector, set a timer for 15 minutes. Boom. And another thing that's interesting is on the back, you can see this touch capacitive sensor and it's actually blinking red. So Vector needs to charge, and because he's connected and knows his surroundings, he's gonna be able to get to the charging dock. Go home. Are you seeing this? How are you gonna get out? Oh, he's so cool. He is so cool. And just like that, he's charging. So you guys have seen how smart Vector really is. Hey Vector, take a picture. All right, let's check this out. So if you go into utilities, that's kind of where everything is. And you can see take a photo, set timer, what's the weather, what time is it? There are some of the commands that you can actually ask Vector. But when you go into Vector Photos, see how good this looks. All right, post this on the Insta, go like it. I'll give away some goodies. So I think the only thing left to do is really just take Vector on a tour. Come on, you're smart, get yourself up. Oh my, no way. Oh, whoa! Are you getting this app? Hey Vector, you wanna go on a tour now? think that's a yes. Vector, check out the stuff, bud. What do you think? Whoa, he's even scaring me. Hey, Vector. How are you? I think I'm good. I'm well. I'm peachy. Go this way. Hit subscribe. Maybe he's getting us to 3.1. Come on, boy. You got this? Come on, bud. There could be a spider under here. Are you gonna help me come battle it? What could this be? He needs to charge. Give me 1 second. Let's see if he makes it home. You got this? All right, now he's gonna back it up. And just like that, he's charging. I got an idea. What if, and I think Vector's pretty cool, we set up a Tinder profile for him. See what his game's like? Drop a like on this video. If we get anything, I think we could do it. Maybe we'll get him a friend. So yeah, guys, that's Vector, a real-life robot with a personality. If you guys liked it, make sure to drop a like on this video and get subscribed by hitting that circle button right down there. Hit me up on the Instagrams. It's just TechSmartt, and check out 2 other videos right after this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.